welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be checking out your renders. This will be a relatively quick video because I want to get this out within the hour, so I will be making more of these obviously. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so renders. This is I guess the character is a render, but ooh, so pink, maybe a bit too much blur. Alright, so I think you should add a shadow behind the characters and some contrast to make the character stand out so it's not faded into the background. I like the pink theme. I just think you need more contrast, whether it's with colors or just shadows and values. Alright, so right here, work in progress. This is quite interesting. The blade. Is the blade supposed to be wood or something else? But I like the face expression here. It's very well done. This arm is a pretty large arm. Overall, this is super nice. We have his character here. With this one, I would make your character bigger, larger, so it fills up more space. I don't like this empty space here. I would try to make things more vibrant as well. Okay, so for example, if we use the camera raw filter, I highly suggest every single person to use this. Also, your arm here is a bit out of position, so I'll fix that as well. Make the texture clarity. So these things, and you could also go ahead and increase the vibrance and the exposure. Okay, you see the clear difference already. And now we're just gonna add some of this. Let's see what works here actually. We can go screen mode. Let's try screen. Let me go back actually. This is fine. Now we can paint some lighting onto the character as well. I think relaxed lighting. So we use the color white right here. We have here, use black for the darker areas, shadows. So we go to overlay mode. Boom, see the difference. That sound is really irritating. Let's go back. Let's do some final adjustments here before we finish this up. I don't want to take too long here. So we get some comments. Like, you're taking way too long editing when you're supposed to be reacting. So, alright. I guess I'll do that. I have to finish this quicker. So, I guess we are pretty much done. I don't see what else there is to add in the time frame we have. So, this right here is the before and after. So, yeah, I just basically brighten everything up. I add more contrast, more lighting, more color. It's pretty much all the basic stuff. So yeah, let's get back into reacting. So from Carson we have, what's this, practice. I think the overlay is a bit strong. The text is alright. I see your white outline. You should probably add a dark outline and then a white outline as well on top of it. I think that'll make your text stand out more, but overall, I think the biggest thing here is the overlay is a bit strong. Is a bit too strong. The character is just kind of fading into the background. Oh, you could do something like, if you blur this image, we have a Star Wars Stormtrooper here. This render is actually really clean. The texture slash material here is done pretty well. The shine here, so it's very nice. Ape sculpture. This is my first model of GFX. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool. Maybe some lighting overhead. Some parts need to be brighter. You need to have a defined light source, because this top here in the background is brighter, but the character is not really. The character is still consistently dark all the way. Thoughts, once again, your character should stand out. It's just fading into the background. You know, if you squint your eyes, it looks like one block of color. So this is actually pretty good for your first one. I think the specular value here, or the roughness, is too high. This makes your texture on the clothes look washed out. Alright, anyways, yeah, I think that's it for this episode. If you guys want to see more, leave a like, and like I said, I have no problem, I have no issue continuing to make these videos. I actually enjoy them. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.